Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, we got a sneak peek for a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Andy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the August and September AIA box. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie Ellis. Stephanie says, I want to subscribe to this. Well, Stephanie, I know so far the box that I did receive, which had the Manicadora products in it, I absolutely loved this box, and this is turning out to look like a great box too. So I think it's well worth it. And if you do subscribe to it, let me know. And let me know when you do get your first box how you enjoy it. And Stephanie, I really appreciate you having your notification bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now. So let's go ahead and get that done. Welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now I did find this on Instagram at BoxyCharm News, I believe. I'll correct it up here if I'm wrong, but you know, usually I'm right. Anyways, guys, so it is the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. Now this is valued at $28. Now guys, they also have a Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette, kind of like a sister palette to this. I think this is amazing. This could give you that smoky look. So this is more like neutral shades right here. So I really do like that. And a lot of people that don't like heavy makeup like myself, you know, this would be perfect for them to wear a natural look. So I really do like this palette. So guys, let me know what you think about this palette down in the comments section. And what box it comes in and what month is still unconfirmed. So as soon as I find that out, I'll let you guys know. You know, I'll keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Julie Johnson. Julie says, I love my AIA box and can't wait for this. Well, Julie, honey, I can't wait for you to get it either. I think you're really going to love this box, especially if you love skincare. This is the perfect box. And Julie, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.